Yeah, it's a tornado warning. I'm gonna put it on the screen over here for my area, it said. So, and also I have work. Even with the forest fire and everything that is going on right now. Hold on, let me fix this camera angle. There you go. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit more. Hopefully you guys see it a little bit more. So yeah. So we are currently in a tornado watch. I love storms. I love tornado chasing, storm chasers. Check out my gaming channel. I am going to be playing a game called Storm Chasers soon. I am not sure when. All right. Oh, I am dangerously low on gas as well. So every time when you drive during a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm watch, and there's a tornado and you see one, go inside of a ditch. If any of you over here who are like tornado experts or storm chaser experts, please comment down below what to do in a situation where there's a tornado watch and you have to go to work. Yeah. I'll put this a little bit higher. There you go. It's kind of feels weird to drive during this, to be honest. I'm guessing the lights and system are off as well. My workplace we better have somewhere inside the my workplace to hide if there's an actual tornado. Because Canada over here, Ontario, you're increasing in tornado activities, bro. Like seriously, there's supposed to be, I think they said maybe 12 or maybe 30 tornadoes each year. Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna leave the how many tornadoes there is per year over here in Canada. Ooh la la, bro. In Canada, Ontario. So yeah. Oh, this will be funny. This will be fun. Let me go over here. Oh, this is. That's fun. I'm under a tree. That road is completely blocked off. The lights are still working over here. These cars, bro. These cars are cool. Potholes, bro. Potholes. Luckily there's no one walking on here. Damn, son. Holy, bro. This Oh, storm chasers, bro, where are you at? Where are you at, storm chasers? Where are you at? If there's a actual really good storm chasing app, storm chasers, please let me know. I would like to get it. Oh man. All right. I'll catch you guys next time for more POV videos. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out. And be safe out there. Have fun storm chasing, but be cautious. I'll see you guys there. Peace out. I want to see if there's a tornado over here somewhere. I cannot see anything, bro. Alright, I'll catch you guys. Peace out. Oh! I just caught that. Holy!